Meet Maria, who manages a busy convenience store. Customers often asked for phone charger cables at the counter. But the cables she stocked kept breaking quickly. Returns increased, and customers were frustrated. Maria realized she needed a reliable bulk phone charger cable for convenience store supply. She switched to durable USB-C cables from Rite Distribution. Now her shelves stay stocked with dependable charging cables that customers trust. Fewer returns. Faster sales. Happier customers. If your store needs reliable phone charger cables in bulk, visit ritedistribution.com.